Hello fellows, welcome to another Bitcoin episode. Thank you very much for your support, your messages, your good words. Again, every time you are watching this series, you hear my opinion. You don't have to follow my trades. Trading is risky as hell. 90% are losing money in the market. We do that for entertainment purposes only. You know how it's done. Thank you again for your good words. You make some profits from what I said in the previous episode that we will have a retracement at this point. Guys, it's good to see some profits, but I have already mentioned that. Personally, I don't go against the main trend. This is one of the major mistakes. When we have a pullback, we don't know where it will stop. Okay, someone will say previous resistance is golden ratio and so on. We won't talk about theory at this point. Finding an entry point to go with the trend is legit. For me personally, in the long term, is not profitable. No doubt, this will give you significantly more trades and you might think that it will work. Again, trading the retracement doesn't work for me. So if you manage to make some profits, you were just lucky. I know it's not bad. Again, in the long term, it won't work. Of course, in trading, you have to risk. This is how it works. Every risk comes with a reward. I'm glad you got that trading idea from me. For sure, you will find some useful information in this series for any market you attempt to enter. Now, let's see the sentiment analysis. While retailers are shorting the market, commercials are making profits. Commercials are making profits by taking the opposite direction in the market. The same story again and again. Retailers are most of the times outplayed, and this is what I show you from more than a year in this series. Retailers increase their short positions while commercials book their profits. Well, this is how it works, so complaining won't help at this point. And another observation is that the gap between long and short position is closing. What is important at this point, if we check the commercials, they increasing their long position. However, they also increase their short position. Overall, 60% of them are going long in the market. And this is the most important. While non-commercial retailers believe that the market will go lower. So you see what's happening every week, the same story in every market. 90% of retailers are losing money. So this is what we are proving every week. This is what is happening most of the times. But again, guys, thank you very much for your good words. Also, when you are sending me simple trades, for me it's very simple to check them. I also prefer to see some tangible strategies. The idea of 108 trades to test a strategy is not always legit. I mean, I have said that several times. Your trading plan, your trading strategy will start showing results from the first trades. So I will open my technical part. Unfortunately, fundamentally, we cannot see any indexes related to the Bitcoin. You propose to check some tech indexes and so on. I disagree. Well, yes, there is a correlation, no doubt. So I will open my technical at this part. Now, this is what we expect to see, as we said in the previous episode. We need to see the prices closing above 25K. We start to be profitable again at this point. Guys, when it comes into trading, you can never be sure. Floating is just floating. So what we need to see in the market is breaking the bearish momentum. 90% of the times when the market goes up very fast, returns also very fast. We need prices to consolidate and keep going higher. That's why I told you to follow the main trend. This is what I also did. Well, in bigger time frames, I am with the trend. What we need to confirm that the bearish market stopped is some waves to the upside. We need to see a clear uptrend. The next price for me is the 25K if the market goes there. Again, boys and girls, thank you very much for watching and trade safe.